Want to know exactly how your YouTube videos are performing? Or maybe you're curious about your competitors' stats. In today's video, we're diving into the YouTube video statistics tool at youtube-thumbnail-download.org and how it can give you real-time insights in seconds. Whether you're a new creator or an experienced one, this tool can seriously boost your strategy. Let's go. This is the YouTube video statistics tool. Super simple to use, but incredibly powerful. Just paste the URL of any YouTube video and boom, instant access to detailed analytics. You get to see total views, likes and dislikes, comments, video published date, channel info, engagement rate, and more. It's like pulling back the curtain on any YouTube video. So why should you care about all this data? Because understanding video stats helps you grow faster. Let's say you notice a video has a high engagement rate. Now you know what works. Or maybe your competitor's most viewed video was uploaded at a specific time of day. That's valuable scheduling intel. This tool lets you reverse engineer success. Let me show you how easy it is. First, grab any YouTube video link. Then, head over to the tool page, link in the description below. Paste the URL and hit the Get Stats button. Instantly, you get a breakdown of key performance metrics. It works for your own videos and any public video on YouTube. Now here's where it gets fun. How to use this data smartly. Track your own progress, monitor growth on new uploads week by week. Spy on competitors. See what's trending and analyze why it's working. Improve your SEO. Check what kind of videos perform well in your niche. Test thumbnails and titles. See how engagement changes with different styles. The best creators don't guess, they analyze. So if you're ready to start making smarter decisions and growing your channel faster, try out the YouTube video statistics tool today. It's free, it's fast, and it's crazy helpful. I've linked it right below in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what video you'll analyze first. I'd love to hear how it helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.